Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Today's video is a fun DIY, a fun fall DIY, and I have two and a half DIYs for you. The half is because I lost some footage, but I brought you pictures anyway. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to invite you to come on in and let's DIY together. The first DIY is to take something that I've had for a few years. This is the before, and kind of spruce it up, zhuzh it up a little bit. So this, I don't remember where I purchased it. It was either Kirkland's or I don't know where I purchased it. And we're going to zhuzh it up and make it fit more into my decor now. So we're going to use a little paint, we're going to use some florals, and we'll use some ribbons and some hot glue.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back, but if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all washes away. Me back at the start, time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all washes away. Turns to shame
Friends, project 1 is almost done. Once I add the ribbon, you'll see how this turned out. I'm liking it. It looks more like my home at this point, the decorating style that I'm dealing with. So I'm going to show what it looks like completed, and then we will move on into number 2, our number 2 DIY. Before I do that, though, I wanted to invite you that if you're not already a member of this community, that you'll hit that subscribe button below. And once you do, hit that bell and you'll be notified of all upcoming content. It won't cost you anything, and it will help my channel immensely. And do know that it will be greatly, greatly appreciated. I will be so grateful to have you become a member of our little community over here. So guys, you can also follow me on other social outlets. I'm on Facebook as ClerissaCoward.com. I'm sorry, as a Cozy Lifestyle with ClerissaCoward.com. A Cozy Lifestyle on Instagram and on Facebook as well. So you can meet me there and find out what heck goes on behind the scenes, do some question of the day questions, just have a lot of fun. So friends, we're going to go back to creating. And as I said before, I'm almost done with this one, just adding the leaves. And just a note, that little spatula there is just perfect for adding hot glue. It keeps your fingers from getting burned, and it also, the hot glue just rolls right off of it. And I just picked it up at Dollar Tree, so that's a little note for you. I do have the end tips for your fingers as well, but this just seems to work better for me. And one other thing about my fingers, a couple of my friends ask, why do you not wear your rings when you are crafting? And normally when I'm crafting, I am painting. And when I'm painting, I wear gloves, and it's hard to get the gloves over the hump of my engagement ring that goes with my set. So I just take them off. It's just easier. And then when I'm not painting, once I have them off, I forget to put them back on. So do know that they are here. I am still married, but I just take the jewelry off when I'm painting because I get paint on everywhere. I'm a sloppy painter. I'm a good painter, but a sloppy painter. So I just take my jewelry off so I can put my gloves on to keep my manicure intact. So again, we're almost done with this one. I'll be showing you the finished effect in just a minute or two. And then after that, we'll go right into our DIY number 2. I hope you're enjoying this. I'm enjoying sharing it with you.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for you.
So guys, this is project number 2. And you know, you always see these pretty books that are painted. And I thought, well, I can do that because I wanted some to stack. And I'd done some earlier in white and then I streaked them. I don't know if I did a video on it, but I thought I'd share it with you this time. And while I was working on this, I already thought of a neater way to do this. But anyway, we're going to go through this one. I wanted them to be black, and then I wanted to embellish them a bit. So we're going to go through and make some stackable books. These books can be used in several different ways in your decor. And also, they didn't cost much either because I got them from the Dollar Tree and they were $1. After I purchased them for this project, I was looking through them and a couple of them looked like they were a pretty good read. But they were bought for the project, so that's what I'm using them for. And again, only $1 and you can get these books. As I said, lots of people use them in so many different ways in decor, and you can too.
it's time for me to sober up, 'cause I don't know what I should do with all these feelings. Don't wanna be needy, too in love. Maybe I am just too in love. Baby, all I know is I can't make you stay, but don't just walk away. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer, closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer, closer.
Pouring rain, and no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till it's gone. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say no one's gonna love you like I do. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, yes, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say no one's gonna love you like I do.
So now that the painting's all done, it's time for the fun part, embellishment. I've already cut the words "Just Us" to go on the binder side of the books, and I'll be putting that on in a minute. If you do not have a vinyl cutter, you can always use letters. They have the sticky letters from Dollar Tree. If you use those letters, though, be sure to use a little Mod Podge or something over them so that they will stay. But if you do have a vinyl cutter, these are easy to cut. And if you like the font, I'll have these in my Etsy shop. by the end of the week. They're not there yet, but it will be there by the end of the week. So we're going to continue and get these books embellished.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Just tear me apart when I know you don't want me. Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna.
So it's time for my half project on my 0.5. And I lost the footage, but this will turn into a hanging, either for your door or someplace in your home. It'll be a hanger, and it will be embellished. I painted it black, and then I embellish it with vinyl cut from my Cricut. And the vinyl will also be in my Etsy shop at some point as well. I think it turned out great. I enjoy doing it. I'm so sorry that I lost the footage though. But this is how the pumpkin turned out. As you can see, my L fell off, so I hot glued it back on. It's fine now. And I love the ribbon as well, the fall with the black buffalo checked. So guys, those are my 2.5 projects. I hope you have enjoyed them. I thoroughly enjoyed bringing them to you as always. And remember, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button below so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. Also hit that bell, which will be a reminder. So anything that I upload, side of that. It won't cost you a thing, as I said before, but it'll definitely help my channel. And we're going to be uploading some very good content here. Some more DIYs. We're going to do some shopping. We're also going to start a series very soon, prepping my pantry as well. So come back and enjoy that. And I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. And remind you, do something today that brings joy to your life. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.